Think about what happens when you consistently choose convenience over effort. Taking an Uber every day might save you some physical effort, but it slowly robs you of movement, fresh air, and time to reflect. Over time, this reliance on convenience can lead to a more sedentary lifestyle, increased stress, and even a disconnect from your surroundings. Now, imagine the alternative. Walking to work not only improves your physical health, but also gives you a chance to clear your mind, observe the world around you, and set a positive tone for the day. Each step becomes a commitment to yourself, a small victory that reinforces discipline and self-reliance. Ask yourself, do I want to live a life of shortcuts or a life of purpose and strength? Start with this simple habit. Choose the walk. Choose growth. Get up early instead of hitting the snooze button. Every time you hit the snooze button, you're delaying your potential and setting the tone for a day of procrastination. It feels good in the moment, but it creates a cycle of unnecessary stress and rushing. Constantly starting your day late undermines your productivity and leaves you feeling behind. Getting up early, on the other hand, empowers you to take control of your morning. It gives you time to plan, reflect, and prepare for the day ahead. The early hours are a gift, allowing you to focus on what matters most before the distractions of the day begin. Have a difficult conversation instead of avoiding it. Avoiding difficult conversations only prolongs tension, creates misunderstandings, and adds unnecessary stress. While it might feel easier in the moment to sidestep tough topics, it only worsens the situation in the long run. Avoidance can harm your relationships and hold you back from growth. Instead, face difficult conversations with courage and clarity. Confronting challenges head-on promotes trust, clarity, and growth. It strengthens relationships and encourages open communication. Learn to see these moments as opportunities for resolution and improvement. Strive for excellence, not just good enough. Settling for good enough is a silent killer of progress. When you take shortcuts or do the bare minimum, you deny yourself the chance to truly excel. Over time, this mindset creates a habit of mediocrity that limits your growth and potential. Striving for excellence means consistently putting in your best effort, seeking continuous improvement, and holding yourself accountable. Excellence is a journey, not a destination, and it's the pursuit of greatness that leads to fulfillment and success. Resolve to be better this year. The start of a new year is a chance to reflect, reset, and resolve to be better. If you don't make a conscious decision to improve,